from the pool. Kukuha rin tayo ng view from the pool. So, clouds. There they are. Yan. Then down below, yung kalsada that leads to a building. Like a railroad restaurant or something. And then it's still going somewhere, no? Papasok pa siya. Yeah. So, hindi tayo maubusan ng tourist attraction dito sa Pilipinas. The best view here